your feet in neutral position. We will first focus on the footwork. You will step with your right leg in the front. Your body weight will be in the center. Now you will turn and your body weight will completely shift to your right leg and your left leg will just be touching your toes on the floor. Now with your same right leg you will again step front by looking behind and you will turn back again. So it's like you are taking a complete circle. How it will look? 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That's it. Now let's see how we can add some arm movements. When you are stepping in the front, you can move your arms like this. Then when you turn, you can snap. 1, snap. 1, snap. 1 and snap. Yes. So while doing this step, always remember if you are turning from your right leg, you will have to keep turning with your right leg only and the other leg does not move at all. Similarly, left hand side, left, turn, left and turn. There you go. Let's try this move with some music.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.